it's a 7mm socket you need. That one, that one, that one, that one, and in there. And then you just pull the whole box towards you and down as the lip of this piece of the dash will sort of keep it in. So obviously I can't record it, so just pull the whole thing towards you and down a bit. Et voila, and there we go. So the filter's in here. Excuse my gross breathing after COVID. These are just little tab clips, so you just pull them towards you. One on either side. And this will be interesting because the air filter on this 6-year-old car was never changed. Oh, geez. It's original. I'll get something to hook that out with, like a flat blade screwdriver, just to hook up in there and pull it out. So there's been a bit of a musty smell on this car, and it's not me. Yeah, I don't know. Could be original. I think it is original. GM. Who's going to put proper parts back in, you know? Right, so no, I'm taking out with the arrow. It came out that way. That's the direction of airflow. Just make sure your new one goes back in the same way. Optional extra. Judging by the colour, old and new. Yeah, that's gotta be. That's been there for a while, isn't it? So this is a MAL. Airflow, there's your arrow. Put a date on it, because I'm that kind of guy. And as the infamous and unforgettable Haynes quote goes, you put everything back together, the reverse of how you took it out together-ish. And that's all she wrote. The only difficult bit was getting this trim piece back on. And I scratched it. There's some clips along here. Just make sure they're guided in the right place and don't keep punching it and wondering why it's not going in like I did. The reason why I've done it myself is I had a service done by main dealer, which is £200, which is essentially your oil and your filter. And because this is a new car for me, a newer car, I wanted to keep the full service history up to date. So, you know, bite the bullet, get it done. And I said, how much for the air filter and the cabin filter? Because I don't think they've ever been done according to the book. And what, £120 to change them. I think that filter was £12 or something like that from Euro Car Parts, and the air filter was like 15. That's taken me all of what, 10 minutes? That took a bit longer. There's a few more screws for the air filter, but it was about 20 minutes, something like that. Ridiculous rip off. What a weapon.